Hello, this is how you install the AppScenic plugin directly from your WordPress account. First, you need to log in to your WooCommerce or WordPress account. On your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and then on Add New Plugin. Now, search for AppScenic. And here you have our plugin. Click on Install Now, then on Activate. AppScenic should now appear on the bottom left menu of your WordPress dashboard. If it doesn't appear immediately, just refresh the page, as we just did. Here you have it, so just click on it. Now choose to connect this store to AppScenic. You will be redirected to your AppScenic account, where you'll get this notification. And that's all. By adding this plugin, you just added your WooCommerce store to AppScenic. If you want to check your new store, just go to Integrations, and here you have your new WooCommerce store. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping.